Hey everyone, welcome to Porto, and this is what the theme will look like as soon as you install it to your WordPress account. So as you'll see here, there's really no content whatsoever uploaded to it. We'll start off fresh. We'll start off by creating our sitemap navigation menu. We'll then also upload a logo and then start adding some basic content to it. So we'll take this one step at a time and show you how to set up the website step by step. So first things first, we'll need to go over to the pages area of our website. So we'll need to go over to pages and to click on add new to create new pages. Now by default, WordPress has a sample page over here, and what we'll do at this point is simply create 5 new pages for the site. So we'll click on add new, and we'll start off by creating our home page or the front page. So I will title this accordingly as front page. And over here within the page templates, I will leave this as default. Although I will then go ahead and click on publish. Alright, and the same process applies to all of the other pages. So what I'll do at this point is simply create our pages, and then we'll also talk about the page settings in a separate video. Alright, now that we've created our pages, we'll then go over to our appearance area. We'll click on menus, and what we'll do is set this as our primary navigation menu. So over here we have the ability to add our menu title. So we'll title this accordingly, and this will be header navigation. Over here we have several pages that we can manage. First of all, we have this home page, which is generally created by default via WordPress. So you can remove the following page because we've already created a front page. So we'll click on remove, and over here we can structure these pages as we wish. So we can simply drag and drop these into any preferred order, just like that. And once we've sorted out these pages, we'll go ahead and click on Create Menu. And we'll need to scroll down the following page and click this checkbox over here where it says make this as the primary menu. So once again, we'll need to check this over here and then click on Save Menu. And at this point, if we head on over to the front end of our website, we'll refresh the following page. You'll see here that we have our sitemap and navigation menu already added to it. So next off, what we need to do is determine our home page as the front page, or vice versa, we need to determine the front page as the home page. So in order to do this, we'll need to go over to our settings area, and we'll click on reading. And over here we have the ability to select our static page, and we'll set this as front page. And the post page, there are 2 options. You can either select this as your blog page, or you can leave this blank and activate a blog page within the page template settings. But for this, we'll have a separate video explaining the following options. So at this point, I'll just leave this blank for now, and we'll go ahead and click on Save Menu. I'm sorry, not Save Menu, but Save Changes. And then we'll go over here, refresh the following page. And here we have front page, which is our page title, obviously, and then we have our navigation menu. Okay, so let's go ahead and at this point we'll create, or actually upload a logo. So we'll go over to Flotheme, and we'll go over to the header settings that we have. And from here we'll be able to upload our logo. So here's the navigation type that we are going to select. For the logo position, we'll have this center. Next off, we will select our logo type as image logo, and then we'll click on upload our logo. And here I have the logo that we're going to use, and I'll just drag and drop it into the following upload area. Click on select, it will be added here. And for the logo width, let's go ahead and select 280 pixels for our logo size, and then you also have the ability to add the logo width for mobile version. So we'll skip that for now. We'll simply click on Save Changes, and we'll refresh the following page once again. And you'll see that we have our logo center aligned, we have our pages on the right and left hand side. As you'll see here, our test website wording disappeared now that we've added our logo. And at this point, let's go ahead and also remove this front page title from our home page. So we'll go over to the pages area. And here we have front page. And over here within the page settings, we will disable our page title. We'll click on update and we'll refresh the following page once again. And here we go. This is a, I guess, almost ready to use website to add content to it. So at this point, we'll go ahead and start adding our blog posts, galleries. We'll go over the page templates and just go over all of the options that we have to deal with.